The pivot, year day 349. The natural world is the last true thread that connects you to your true origin, your source, the space from which you come and will inevitably return. That is why the summer air is so nostalgic to inhale. That is why the trees make you feel rebalanced within yourself. That is why it is so awe inducing, so healing. It is not separate from you. You separate yourself from it with walls and other materials ascribed to the human condition. It wasn't always that way, though. Nature calls you back to a place you forgot you came from.